Guys, I think I got the motorcycle running pretty good. The Honda here. Got that on. Starts a lot easier right now. I took the carb off. There was some gelled up gas inside the carb, so I cleaned it out real good. So I took the carb all apart. I used my my jet cleaning wire kit I got. I cleaned it out. I sprayed that out real good with gum out. I think I got, it's definitely starting a lot easier. And once it starts, it doesn't stall, so it's getting gas. It's definitely a lot better than what it was. What I'd like to do to this now is, those are 3-inch springs in the back of the seat there. I want to get 2-inch springs. That way maybe I could put that seat on here, and I can lower this guy just a little bit. And you know, one other thing I forgot I did, I took the horn off. I don't know if you guys can see the wires here where the horn was. I put the horn on the big dog. So, you know, the horn, this actually has a nice horn. So I have to put a horn on. I forgot all about that. I completely forgot I took the horn off this sucker. You know, and it still needs tires too. I don't know if I'm going to even put tires on it. But it does. It needs front and back tires. I don't know if I'm going to do that. One thing about the tube tires, man, I don't know if you guys ever put tube tires on before. You got to watch you don't tear your inner tube. And then you need these bands that go on the inside of the wheel. Man, they got to be sealed with like a glue. You know, it's a real picnic doing tube tires. So okay. Yeah, I still got to put this, we're going to make that guard there for that. That way it'll hide all the wiring, and maybe I'll lower that seat a little bit. So, let's see what she'll do one more time here. Okay, I think we got her pretty good, boys. Came a long way, man, from what it was.